In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Google Keep on your desktop in just 5 minutes. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for keeping your notes organized and accessible across devices, but did you know you can also have it right on your desktop for even easier access? Let me guide you through this simple process step by step so you can have Google Keep at your fingertips anytime you need it. First, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account to ensure a seamless setup. Head over to the Google homepage or any Google service page where you'll have easy access to all your Google apps. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. Here you'll see a grid of small squares commonly referred to as the Google Apps icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing a selection of various Google services. You might need to scroll down a bit as Google Keep might not appear at the top. Next, click on the Keep icon from this list. This will open Google Keep in a new tab, allowing you to view your existing notes or start creating new ones. Google Keep is strategically designed for note-taking, creating lists, and setting reminders, making it an invaluable tool for your everyday productivity needs. Once Google Keep is opened, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You should see an icon that looks like a computer monitor with a down pointing arrow. This is the Install Google Keep button, and clicking it will prompt Chrome to install Google Keep as a separate application on your desktop. After you click that button, the installation process begins instantly. You'll notice a new window appear showing a standalone version of Google Keep. This version behaves just like a desktop app, making it incredibly convenient to jot down notes without having to open your browser every time. Finally, to make sure Google Keep is always within easy reach, you can pin it to your taskbar. Simply right-click on the newly created Google Keep app icon in your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. Now, whenever you need to access your notes, you can do so with a simple click from your desktop. And there you have it, you've successfully installed Google Keep on your desktop. By following these straightforward steps, you can now enjoy the convenience of having all your notes readily available and organized, boosting your productivity in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great tips on optimizing your digital workspace.